Hello friends, today we are gonna make a wind vane. Wind vanes help you determine the direction the wind is blowing. They are often made of metal and they are attached to the tops of the buildings. These are the materials you are gonna need: a paper plate, a straw, a pencil, a plastic pin, cardstock, scissors, markers, glue, and a ruler. Start by writing the 4 cardinal directions on the back of the paper plate. Make a hole in the middle of the paper plate and insert the pencil, having the eraser up. Cut the pointer and the tail fin from the provided template. In order to make the arrow, you will need to find the middle of the straw. Take a ruler and measure the straw. Usually a straw is 8 inches long. Mark the middle. Take the pin and pierce it perpendicularly through the straw. Wiggle the pin to loosen up the hole so the straw can spin around freely. Cut 2 small slits at each end of the straw. Make one horizontal cut at the top and another one below. Insert the cardstock pieces to make the arrow pointer and tail. Attach the straw to the eraser on the pencil. Take your wind vane outside to find the direction the wind is blowing. Use your compass to find the direction of north, then point the north side of your weather vane in the correct direction. Enjoy!